guys, it's Ashton, and today I'm going to be doing a video on this fall makeup look, and it's super simple, super easy, and there's not a ton of products that I used. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and a thumbs up even if you don't, and let's get on with this video. So I've already set my face with a Smashbox Primer Water and Hourglass Primer, and I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 120 Classic Ivory with my Beauty Blender, and I'm going to apply all over my face. Just make sure you blend better than I did, because it's an actual hot mess, but it's okay, it's fine. Next, I'm going to be taking my Benefit Boing Airbrush Concealer in the shade number 1 with that same Beauty Blender, and I'm going to put it under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin. Then I'm going to take my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, and I'm going to set my foundation and concealer with a flat top brush. And it's a pretty dense brush, so it really packs everything in. Do not do circles like I just did. Make sure that you are patting that foundation down so that it will stay for a long amount of time. Next, I'm going to be taking this NYC bronzer in the shade 720A Sunny with a Bobo fan brush. I'm going to be putting it on my cheeks, my forehead, and my neck. Then I'm going to take this Milani blush in Luminoso and put it on my cheekbones. And then take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. And I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with an e.l.f. concealer brush. Next, I'm going to be taking my 35K palette from Morphe. I'm going to go into that top left yellow shade and applying it all over my eye. Next, I'm going to be taking that light brown on the top row, and I'm going to be putting it into my crease with a Sigma E25 brush. E35 actually, I keep saying 25, but I'm not redoing this. Then with a different random brush, I'm going to be taking the burnt orange shade and the light orange shade and mixing them together in my crease, as well as going down to the bottom lash line and just blending some more. Then I'm going to take the gold shade on the top row and just apply it to my lid. Then I'm going to go in with a Sonia Kashuk blending brush and just blend all that out and make it look very good. Then I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula eyeliner and just do my tight line. I'm going to set my brows with the Maybelline Brow Gel and then apply my lipstick, which is the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in Forever. Did apply my mascara off camera along with adding a brow bone highlight and an inner corner highlight. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.